purge valve replacement, 2015 Ford Escape. Had to remove the intake, air intake assembly. I cleared the code P0, what was it, forgot the code. Anyway, it was the purge, for the purge, P0459, I think. I forgot, but anyway, I've got the new assembly right here. It's a Dorman. So far, I took it out of here. Just press these clips down. Then just pull. Did this one with one hand down there. I just pressed the clip up on one side. Then I just pulled and it pulled out easy. Now we gotta get it out of here. This clip is just go like that, slides out. I can't believe I forgot the code number, man. I got brain fog. But I'll put it on the description. There goes the other one down there. Right over here. See, I'm just pulling one side of the clip. This one's a little tighter. I'm gonna need to use my other hand for that. Let me see what I do. So on this one, I got the other half of the clip. I guess it's stuck, so I'm gonna try to press up on it. Let's see if I can do it. Or I gotta try to remove this clip. The rest of the green clip here that goes here. This one here. See that? This one here was a pain in the neck, but had to use a flathead screwdriver. I wedged it in the bottom. Even to pull it out is a pain in the neck. Wow. Alright, finally got it. What I had to do, this was very, very uncomfortable. What I had to do was stick the screwdriver. I had to turn it in a way so I could expose the top part where you have to press down. Like this one here, see? See how you press this down? that's what I had to do there. But with I couldn't do it with my finger. I had to use I had to press on it like this, up here with the screwdriver, right up here, to release it like that. But you see, with that space there, very uncomfortable. Now let's disconnect the power. Pain in the neck. Let me try to figure out this plug. They made a this clip here. It's a little complex to figure out on how to go about it. And then look at the position where they put this at. All right, I got it. So what I did was, yeah, it's a little tough to figure this clip out. This thing here throws you off a little. You would think that it's yeah, you know, this is like this, but it's hard. It's just what I figured how it is, but when you're there and you like doing it, it's kind of hard to pull it up, you know, to make it release. So maybe you guys will have better luck. When you see the way the clip is, so yeah, you just gotta press it. You gotta press it. For me, it was hard. What I did was I just put the screwdriver down here, flathead, and I just put I wedged it in between here first, right in between here, so I wasn't too sure how to go about it. Then I just pushed up and it released. Now we gotta get all the way back there. I may have to remove this here. Yep, gotta remove this here, this duct. Use a 5/16 here. Yeah, pain in the neck, man. Look at that. All the way back there. Crazy. Wow. Alright, gotta figure this out. So it's all the way down there. But when it's attached to the other end of the purge valve, it's all the way down there. It's very hard to see. And again, it's just the let me see if I could. There we go, see it? All the way down there. I'm gonna have to remove the cowl, guys. It's almost impossible to take that back one out. And I definitely don't want to break something, so because you could definitely break something. That's how hard it is to pull that clip out. Okay, you got the old one out. This one back here. This one was a real pain. So as I said, I had to remove the cowl in order to get there a little bit more comfortably. But to press this here and pull it took a long time, and I had to use a flathead. To push it in. Push it in very hard, but it was very uncomfortable. This one here makes the job tough because it's hidden back there, and it's no joke really to get that one out. Hopefully you guys that have to do this will have better luck. So this is the new one. All right, and I'm testing it. I'm blowing through here, and it is flowing through. Yep, that's the test. That means it's no good. Okay, so now time to put this one back because got nighttime out here. That's how long I've been messing with this thing. It's just the one in the back, man. That's the tough one. You don't have any space back there, see that? So you got to figure out how to put your hand in there to push that clip hard enough, and then just pull up. And at the same time, be careful that you don't break anything back there, because it is very easy to break something back there. You could break a connection of something, you know. Let me start putting this thing back. All right, put everything back already. But look at what happened now. Now I got issues. This piece broke off. Came right off when I pulled it. I guess it was brittle. That goes right there. That's the one that goes here by the by this piece right here. See where that piece is at? It broke right out of there. That's how brittle it was. Now I don't really know what I'm gonna have to do with that right there. But now I got this is a problem now. This piece right here came right off. freaking problem. I don't know if I could remove that. I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But all I know is this is a damn problem now. Maybe I could, I don't know, JB weld it until I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna just have to buy this piece right there. That whole piece. Yeah, but these are the type of things, you know, these type of things is bound to break, man. And all I did was just pull it normal, you know. I guess it was already brittle here by the plastic, so just finished breaking off. Pretty sure the check engine light's gonna come back on. This is a problem.